Hello, my name's Larry Viegas and I am the city arborist for the City of Pasco. You prune a tree, you're encouraging growth. Same with the root system. This is for the health of the tree. We also have a root flare, which is exposed right here at the top, and we're in good shape for this one. So everything's good. This thing's ready to go in the hole. We're ready to plant. The soil is dug out, ready to go. We just have to excavate a little. We're going to have our root flare level with the ground on our finished product. Okay, so you may not have a measuring stick or a tape measure when you go to find the depth of your tree. So you can use your shovel handle as well. Put it in the pot that you pulled the tree out, hold your thumb there, and then you can bring it over to the tree itself and make sure that you are at the height you need to be. And this coming out of a hole that was already used, it does have quite a few nutrients still in it. Now what we try and do here is make the hole at least 2 to 3 times the size so that we're getting plenty of growth room for this tree. Now what we try and do here is try and pick a side that's most aesthetic looking. This is another way to check our level where we're at, so we're not too low or too deep, and we know that root flare is right there at the base of this, so we're in good shape. Now we can stabilize it with some soil. We will get our little mini water truck up here and start soaking it in.